Hi, this is David Clark from Meal in a Minute for healthy gut tone and kidney strength. This chicken fat buster diet helps your digestive system cleanse and restore functionality. Radish and pungent Sango microgreens help the liver break down fats. Hummus, a legume with high fluid absorbing qualities, helps remove toxins. Pickled red onions and sauerkraut have probiotic qualities. Silver-beet, a hydrating, high chlorophyll green, aids digestion. And millet, known as the mother of grains because of its internal healing, alkalizing food qualities, all combined to accelerate your cleaning process. Depending on your calorific needs, choose one chicken drumstick or two. Try this diet a couple of times per week if you are on a healthy weight loss plan. Enjoy and chew well.